All right, so let's encode the URL in these hyperlinks so that when I navigate to the course editor, I'll have an ID here, and then it could be used to go fetch the correct module. So let's do that. Let's go back to the table row, and in the hyperlinks, where's my hyperlinks? There's my hyperlink, right? I like to be able to have this to be dynamic, right? I don't want it to be like this, right? Actually, we're not even using this show course editor anymore. Let's go back to the link, because the link allows me to much easier. And also, we need to learn that new syntax. Just use link instead. Link. There we go. Instead of href, we'll say to. And I guess we'll need to load the link from router. There it is. And so I want to encode here the URL, the ID of the course. Notice that we have the course as part of the state. Yes. So we'll pass it in. We'll say this will be an expression and a backtick expression, like that, right? So that we can build this and say that we're going to put the ID right at the end. It'll be this dot state dot course dot ID. Yes, we're going to encode that. So now, if we go back to the course list, and we hover over, you'll notice that the ID is now encoded as part of the URL. See that? So if I hover over each one of these, we have the different IDs. So if we click it, notice that I navigate to the course editor, but I have the ID now. See that? If I go back and I click on some other, it'll be some other ID. Or it'll be some other ID. Now I can use that ID, right, to go out to the server and say, hey server, fetch me all the modules whose course ID is so and so. Right, so that I can do a pattern matching on the server, right, and I can do filtering. Make sense? Right. So we'll do that next time.